Time's now 4:45. Let's get over to Michelle.
Thanks so much, Leslie. We are starting off really nice across the area. If you're heading out dark and early, upper 60s in New Orleans and mainly clear skies. We're actually looking at a really nice day today once again with a few more clouds across the area. You'll notice once again the humidity stuck around and we're looking at a humid day as we go through the afternoon, but a cold front is expected to arrive as we go through the overnight early Saturday morning, and it is going to bring very comfortable conditions to our area. So here's a look at your temperatures. We're looking at 50s north of Lake Pontchartrain, very comfortable, and then south of the lake looking pretty good too, just a touch warmer. We're in the mid 70s in Grand Isle, 72 in Shell Beach, upper 60s in Gretna, Kenner, lower 60s in Laplace, as well as Raceland and also Homa. Winds are nice and calm inland, but we are dealing with breezy conditions along our lakes as well as our coastal areas, and the winds will remain pretty consistent as we go through today, light with higher gusts between maybe 9, even 11 miles per hour, but overall a very comfortable day. Your forecast, partly cloudy skies, temperatures climbing into the middle to upper 80s today. So a little bit warmer than yesterday, and also with the humidity. Just keep in mind if you're doing anything outside, don't forget to hydrate. Clouds will continue to build as we head into tonight, but overall looking at a nice night, partly cloudy skies and temperatures falling into the upper 60s and a couple 50s across the area. Local exit forecast looking good. Again, it's going to be a warm day with temperatures nearing 90 in Thibodaux, Hammond, and Slidell, and actually getting into the 90s in Picayune. And of course, your marine forecast looking good. Light winds today and also tonight. No advisories in effect, but keep in mind the winds are expected to pick up on Saturday along our coastal areas out of the northeast between 15 to 20 knots. So again, just make sure you're being careful. Humidity again, rather moderate today. Cool front moves through and we'll begin to feel the humidity lower or become low as we go through our Saturday, but then really feeling the effects of that cold front Sunday into our Monday before the humidity begins to climb as we go through the first half of next week. So here's the setup. Here's a look at the GFS model. We're continuing to watch that spot out in the southeastern Caribbean. It is expected to strengthen as we go through the next couple of days, not moving into the Gulf of Mexico because we'll have an area of high pressure that's going to continue to steer it to the west. Because of that area of high pressure, that's going to keep our weather very nice and pleasant and also dry. But look what happens as we head into our Wednesday and also our Thursday. That same area that we're watching out in the Caribbean, it's going to continue to move to the west, and the tropical moisture is going to move into the Gulf of Mexico, and we may see some showers out of it as we head into our Wednesday and also Thursday, and a lot of long-range models are hinting that another cold front is going to pull through, bringing very comfortable conditions as we head into next weekend, which will feel really nice. Switching gears, what's going on in the tropics now? Tropical depression 13 has a center, looking very good on satellite imagery. The convection trying to wrap around the center there, moving to the west at 15 miles per hour. It is found in the southeastern portion of the Caribbean Sea, has winds of 35 miles per hour with gusts of 45 miles per hour, and you can see kind of hugging looks like South America there. It is continuing to move to the west, eventually becoming a tropical storm later on today, and additional strengthening is expected, becoming a hurricane Sunday morning and then making landfall somewhere in Central America. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Warm, humid, 86, a mix of sunshine and clouds. It'll be breezy this weekend, but also comfortable, and rain chances are in the forecast Wednesday and also Thursday.